Dreams come from the past, not from the future. Dreams shouldn't control you, you should control them. Life is not like water. Things in life don't necessarily flow over the shortest possible route. No mistake about it, ice is cold, roses are red, I'm in love, and this love is about to carry me off somewhere. For a certain kind of person, love begins from something tiny or silly. From something like that, or it doesn't begin at all. People fall in love, without reason, without even wanting to. You can't predict it, that's love. You can love someone, with your whole heart, even one person, then there's salvation, in life. Most everything you think you know about me is nothing more than memories. Two people can sleep in the same bed, and still be alone when they close their eyes. If you remember me, then I don't care if everyone else forgets. If you can love someone with your whole heart, even one person, then there's salvation in life, even if you can't get together with that person. I was always hungry for love. Just once I wanted to know what it was like to get my fill of it, to be fed so much love I couldn't take any more, just once. No mistake about it, ice is cold, roses are red, I am in love, and this love is about to carry me off somewhere. We're both looking at the same moon, in the same world, we're connected to reality, by the same line, all I have to do is quietly draw it towards me. Maybe it's just hiding somewhere, or gone on a trip to come home, but falling in love is always a pretty crazy thing. Sometimes I get real lonely sleeping with you.